So those were the top headlines of the hour. Moving on to the top story of the hour, that is the Bangladeshi infiltration row that has erupted in Delhi. Delhi police launches campaign to catch illegal Bangladesh immigrants in Delhi. 7 illegal Bangladeshi immigrants, including 5 women, were arrested and deported from South Delhi. And the Bangladeshi nationals were arrested near the Arjangarh metro station in Fatehpur Beri area. Raids were conducted in slums, labor camps and unauthorized colonies during the operation. Moving on, some news coming in. A total of 203 individuals, including travel agents and facilitators of illegal immigration, have been arrested across India in 2024 compared to 98 in 2023. We have with us my colleague Rainik Datta joining us on the telecast. Rainik, the statistic that is coming in 2023, it was 98 illegal immigrants. Now we're seeing 203 travel agents and immigrant nabbed in 2024.
देखिए पिछले एक साल में अगर देखा जाए तो डबल हो चुका है पूरा ये आंकड़े, क्योंकि 2023 साल में 94 के जैसे इलीगल इमिग्रेंट को पकड़ा गया था, मगर इस साल यानी 2024 साल खत्म होने से पहले ही देखा जा रहा है कि 230 के ऊपर जो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट इनको पकड़ा गया है साउथ दिल्ली में। साउथ दिल्ली में कुछ दिन पहले ही 7 लोगों को पकड़ा गया था, जिसमें 5 वुमेन भी शामिल है। अगर देखा जाएगा तो अगस्त महीने के बाद यानी ये इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म हुआ था बांग्लादेश में, उसके बाद से लगातार जो इंफिल्ट्रेशन का कोशिश वो लगातार दिखा जा रहा था भारत के बॉर्डर में, और उसके बाद ही दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से जो ऑपरेशन चालू किया गया, उस ऑपरेशन में लगातार एक से बढ़कर एक जगह पर रेड करने के बाद ही इलीगल इमिग्रेंट को पकड़ा गया है। और इस इलीगल इमिग्रेंट की संख्या जैसे कि दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि 220 के ऊपर है, और सिर्फ 2024 साल में यानी एक साल के अंदर ये जो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट की संख्या ये डबल हो चुका है। और इसमें एक सवाल बार बार से आ रहा है कि बांग्लादेश की तरफ से भारत में इलीगल इमिग्रेंट के माध्यम से कोई दूसरा कोई प्लान किया जा रहा है, ये सवाल ही बार बार से आ रहा है। और इसको रोकने का कोशिश जो है वो भारत सरकार की तरफ से किया जा रहा है, और भारत सरकार की तरफ से निर्देश देने की वजह से जो दिल्ली पुलिस और दिल्ली के साथ साथ और भी जो स्टेट है वो स्टेट पुलिस की तरफ से इस तरीके का जो ऑपरेशन इलीगल इमिग्रेंट को रोकने के लिए वो लगातार जारी है। और इसी के जो आंकड़े वो सामने आए हैं, और दिल्ली पुलिस को कहा गया है कि 2023 साल के जगह 2024 साल में एक साल के अंदर ये जो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट का संख्या 220 से ऊपर हो चुका है, यानी डबल हो चुका है। और इसके बाद भी ये जो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट को रोकने के लिए ये तो पकड़ने का जो सिलसिला ये जारी रहेगा दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से, ये भी कहा गया है।
रैनिक हमारे साथ बने रहेगा और डेवलपमेंट्स आ रही हैं. Moving on to address rising concerns over the unauthorized stay of migrants, including Bangladeshi national, in the capital. A verification drive was launched by Southwest District Police to verify illegal migrants residing in the area. During the drive, door-to-door verification were conducted and almost 400 families were checked and their documents were collected. रैनिक, अब देखा जा रहा है कि वेरिफिकेशन ड्राइव और एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन और सर्वे कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है, जिसमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स चेक करे जा रहे हैं कि इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स जो इंडिया में हैं और दिल्ली में स्पेसिफिकली हैं, उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स सही हैं नहीं हैं। ये इलीगल नेक्सस का एक क्रैकडाउन जो दिल्ली पुलिस कर रही है, इसमें और डिटेल्स क्या आ रही हैं?
एकदम देखिए, जिस तरीके से इलीगल इमिग्रेंट का संख्या दिन से दिन बढ़ता नजर आ रहा है और एक साल के अंदर जिस तरीके से डबल हो चुका है इलीगल इमिग्रेंट की संख्या, जिस तरीके से दिल्ली पुलिस का ड्राइव में इलीगल इमिग्रेंट पकड़ा जा रहा है, इसी को देखते हुए दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से एक ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन जारी किया गया है, जिसमें जो इमिग्रेंट बांग्लादेश से भारत में आए हैं उनका जो डॉक्यूमेंट वो डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई किया जा रहा है। डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन।
All right, Rainik, stay with us. We also have with us Brian Thomas live from Southwest Delhi joining us on the telecast. Brian, now we're seeing that after the Delhi LG launched this special campaign for the verification drive of these illegal Bangladeshi immigrants in Delhi, we have seen that various verification drives, joint operations and surveys are being conducted in slums and other unauthorized areas that in Delhi. So how many people have been nabbed in total till now, and what are the details that are coming in with the how many people are involved in this nexus?
Well, Ria, definitely around over rather 5,000 people have been questioned. Their documents have been screened, and apart from that, 30 people have been deported from Delhi to Bangladesh. And now, very importantly, this location where we are is becomes very important because we are at Southwest Delhi's Rangpuri area, where every day, every now and then, there are police officials who have been coming on the drive to get Bangladeshi immigrants, illegal immigrants who have been staying here illegally without documents, have been staying here, and they have been living here also. Even yesterday also the Delhi police officials came and they deported 8 people from this very location. Let me show you rather, before I tell you and give you a perspective. This is the very location where this ongoing verification drive that follows LG, VK Saksena's, drive also order also that happened on December 10th is aimed in identifying, detaining and repatriating foreign nationals residing in the capital without valid documents as well. And also very importantly, also this very area which we are and showing you exclusive visuals, also this very area which comes under Vasant Kunj South Police Station has identified 8 Bangladeshi nationals that have been residing in this very Rangpuri area, where this is also called the Bengali market or the Bengali Basti. And now in this very place that we are showing you, you can see this area where there were 8 Bangladeshi people, nationals who were staying here illegally, and they were originally from Kekerhat village of Maharashtra district in Bangladesh. Jahangir, his wife Parina Begum, and their 6 children who rather illegally entered India via unofficial routes and have been living in the country without valid documents. And after thorough verification, appropriate legal actions was taken, and they have been deported to Bangladesh through FRRO. And even very importantly, like I've been saying, also the DCP have been coming, the police has been coming every day, and they added that in the last 2 to 3 weeks, police teams have conducted door-to-door document verification of nearly 400 families also. And during the drive also they corrected verification forms and then sent them respective homes in West Bengal and Bangladesh for verification. And even a special team also from West Bengal has been carried out to do the manual checks. Now you have a look at this very area. This is Rangpuri's area. This is also called the Bengali Basti or the Bengali market, where there's a market also, and all the Bengalis rather who have been coming from West Bengal or Bangladesh have been staying here, and police have been doing this verification drive, they have been wanting the documents also of the Bangladeshi nationals, of the people who have been staying here. And here in this very area that we have been showing you, this very area, this very Basti also, where all these people have been staying here, they have been also showing, and they have been their documents have been screened, and there were 8 people among this very area where 8 people were found out that they did not have any documents, and they were then deported to Bangladesh. Ria.
Ryan, stay with us. We have more developments coming in. A series of targeted operations and joint